Hello, everyone. Today, I'm very excited to be joined by Marc Bruner. He's the founder and chairman of Lost Soldier Oil and Gas out of Wyoming. Marc, thank you so much for your time. We know you're in Europe now, so we appreciate it. You've been actually marketing the story a lot across Europe, and now you're heading to Abu Dhabi. Can you share with our audience the latest updates from the company and the upcoming milestones as well?
Okay, well, I think, one of the really interesting things that's happened is that we have completed four different zones in our wells in, the first wells that we have. And we're pleasantly surprised. You never know what you're going to get, frankly, when you're doing it, right? But there's a couple of really important things that we know. These are very deep and they're overpressured wells. So, we had a little anxiety about whether just how good we're going to be able to frack the wells. Well, the good news is all of the fracks went really, really well. The zones responded really, really well. And the results are beyond expectations. Frankly, every single zone did a couple of million a day. We had one zone that did over 7 million a day. And to put everything in perspective, there is a play, what we call a play, which is a basin. It's called the Haynesville Formation. It's in Texas and Louisiana. It goes over into Louisiana, and our reservoir parameters are very, very similar to what they have. And we have essentially the same porosity, same permeability. Those are reservoir parameters. We have the same pressure, okay, that they have, but ours may be a little higher. And the temperature is 300 degrees as opposed to 400 degrees, and that's meaningful. So one of the interesting things is we think that our project should behave comparatively very favorably to what they have. And it's interesting, it's a horizontal play. The vertical wells do a certain amount, but the horizontal wells do 24 times what the vertical wells do. So, when we're looking at several million a day, you know, we're, we're hoping and thinking and wishing and hoping we do like 50 million a day per well. It could be more than that, but these are going to be big wells. Okay. So we're pleasantly surprised. We always thought it was going to do well, but now we know it's going to do well. And more importantly, the deeper zones are underneath us. And the pressures are, if anyone knows what this is, the pressure gradients instead of 0.65 or 0.83, which is an order of magnitude much greater than what we've already found. And we know that the pressures are higher. We know the zones are thicker. Yeah, we like what we got, but we really expect even better stuff down below. At this point, we're kind of happy campers here, right? That's really pretty much the update that I can tell you about. We think we're going to have some really good production. We expect to drill four or six wells next year and put it into the pipeline. Yeah, we think they're going to do very well, and we expect certainly within 36 months to have that first 500 million a day pipeline all full. Looking to go to a much bigger pipeline in 5 to 7 years, a 42 to a 46-inch line that could deliver, I don't know, 5, 10 times as much. So, everything's bright right now with the company. We couldn't be happier. And, we're looking forward. We think we got Santa Claus already come down the chimney for us. Okay. So we're very happy.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much, Marc. It sounds very exciting for anybody that wants to receive a more detailed operational update. I know that President Steve Richards and the team out in Wyoming are going to have a live webinar on October 29th. So we'll leave a link below for anybody that wants to join that and have some questions answered there as well. And for anybody that wants to meet Marc, he's going to be in Abu Dhabi at the end of this month and in early November. So we'll also leave a link below for anybody that wants to connect with him and the team there in the UAE. So thank you so much, Marc, for your time and everyone for watching. And we'll be in touch and excited for all the updates coming out of Lost Soldier.
Thank you so much, Liz. I'm really excited about what we're doing. So thank you for asking me these questions. Thank you.